Hello guys, here again welcome to form follows function. Today we will again see the urban house. As in the last we see the architect Hiran Patel design house in the Ahmedabad, but today this house is in Vadodara by Atelier Design and Domain ADND. The project is OHANA house. So if you want to see the planning and details of designing, then continue watching this video. The house is for the industrialist family, the family of four. Their requirement is very clear. What they are looking for, they wanted to move out of the main city into the farmland, and they wanted the great connect between the indoor and outdoor. A modern, simple and contemporary house. The site is dominantly a rectilinear site. Very large plot of land goes around 1.4 acres. The accessibility of the site is from the very narrow, a village-like lane. While developing the site, they also keep the Vastu in mind, so keeping the logic also they located house toward the southwest corner and essentially a linear block, and this also helps in perspective that when they look at the broad segregation of the site, they are able to create the different zones. By doing so, they also want that house is mostly open in the east and receives most of the morning sunlight. When we enter the house, we first move into the veranda space, and on the parallel both sides having the formal living space located, and on the other side having the kitchen facility which serves the house. Then there is dining space, and then it is followed by the guest bedroom. Also want that this house is ventilated naturally, so look at the wind direction. So what they did is to continue the flow of wind, they leave the small pockets between the spaces, so there is continuous flow of wind in the whole house and ventilated naturally and become very comfortable space to be in. The kitchen facility is further extended outward, a sort of courtyard that they have created. Architects believe that kitchen is also an integral part of the house. It is the nerve center and the host spend a lot of time, so they want to create this also pleasurable experience. While you are cooking, you can look into the courtyard space. From the dining is extended dining, which is outdoor dining towards the west side, and further down between the dining and the guest bedroom they have duct in the powder bathroom and having the family lounge on the ground floor, and along with the family lounge the staircase is attached which takes you to the upper floor, and at the end of the entire experience you have the master bedroom suite which is divided with the walk-in and bathroom facility. And unlike the conventional format, there is a lobby from which one can enter and get to the sitting space which is in the island format, and also having the island bar aligned with the family living. They are further having the outdoor pool with amazing landscape. The house is flanked at its north and its south end by these defining wall. So when we look at this house from the garden area, you get a scene of something held together by these walls. They are effectively a stone clad is calibrated grey granite, and as the part of the program they also created the gazebo like space towards end, which is the more like a pavilion that latches itself onto this feature wall and neatly tucked behind the pavilion space. As the house itself, considering the south facade is a harsh side, so most of the south facade kept as a blank facade. When you come to the first floor via staircase, when enter to the corridor space, and then you came into media lounge area. It is flanked on both sides by two bedrooms, the son and the daughter's bedroom. In terms of spectacular balcony, it overlooks the pool. In the nutshell of this project goes with the name of OHANA, which is a Spanish word which basically means family bond. This is all about the house, and I hope you like this video and got something new from this house. We come up with new video daily, so subscribe us now and join me on Instagram. Let's connect.